In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these insane cinematic skeleton videos using AI tools step by step. So watch until the end because the final scene gets terrifying.
First, download the skeleton file prompt in the description of this video. Copy the video topic generator prompt. Next, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Pick a topic that looks interesting. I'm selecting this one. Copy it. Now go back to the file and open Skeleton GPT. Paste the topic, then hit enter. This will generate the image prompt we'll use later. Copy the prompt, paste it here, and type save these scenes. Now, it's time to create the images for our skeleton videos. Follow these settings carefully. Next, go back to the file and copy the character prompt. Paste it here, then hit enter. This will be our reference character for the entire video. Now, copy the scene prompt from the skeleton shorts tab. Go back to the flow, paste the prompt, then hit enter. Repeat the same process until all the images are finished. Now, create the same number of image to video prompts for each image prompt so I can use them to animate the images. Go to Flow, click Agent, add Instruction, and click References. Upload the first image you generated earlier. Paste the prompt and follow this setting. Click Approve and wait for the generation to finish. Once it's done, repeat the same process for all the remaining images. Go back to the file and copy the video prompt. This will be the captions for each video scene. And this is the final result.
What happens when your exhausted brain refuses sleeping after 3 terrifying sleepless nights? You pace endlessly while rising cortisol hormones block deep restorative sleep cycles. Multiple glowing clocks surround you, while exhausted neurons struggle tracking passing nighttime hours. Your fading hippocampus struggles storing memories, while important neural connections slowly disappear.